Aloha, I'm Tom Kowach, the inventor of CoCraft branded products. Let me show you how I make Spam Egg McMuffin using my new Nevah Leak Egg Mold. I like to use the reduced sodium Spam product. It has a good balance between salt and flavor. One of the reasons I made the Nevah Leak bake pan is because egg rings just leak. And so I found an alternate purpose for my metal egg ring, and that is to use it as a shape tool. These lunch meat slicers work great. The trick is to move slowly so that you don't break the wires. This produces 6 patties. Okay, let's make the molded egg. You can make the egg patty in the microwave, oven, or stovetop. Let me show you how to do it on the stovetop, since this is my new process. First, start out with a 10-inch skillet. Then set the heat to medium high. Add the bake pan to the skillet. Grease the pan well with some spray oil. Now add the egg. You could break the yolk if you want. I don't break it. I like it a little soft inside when it's done. Then add about a half cup of water to the skillet. Add salt here if you'd like. Then cover. Cook for about 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how you like your eggs done. The reason you could place a silicone bake pan directly in a skillet is because you have added water. Boiling water maintains a temperature up to 112 degrees Fahrenheit, helping to regulate the temperature of the bake pan to well below the max temp of 40 or 60 degrees. After about 2 minutes of cooking, the egg will start to turn white. At this point in time, you can start frying up your Spam slice. And also, you could place the English muffin in the toaster. Turn the heat off and let the egg mold cool for a short time. Now you can start your final assembly. Place your toasted muffin on a dish, add a slice of American cheese, add your Spam slice that you warmed up, and now add your egg. Top it off with the other half of the English muffin, and there you have it. A delicious homemade English muffin breakfast sandwich. It doesn't get much better than that. Enjoy!